Tarot is an art of fortune telling. It goes into past, present, future. It is a tool to see future and present also. In ancient times, Egypt started with the tarot card reading. There, the high-level priests, they used to go behind the pyramids, and they had a very big book which had pictures and certain aspects to see. So from there, actually, the images came into the world. They gave us the images, and the gypsies started with tarot card. Then later it came into Europe, Italy, France, and all. But now some people say it has started from India as well. Indian sacred cards are a base of that tarot. We still don't know from where it has come, but it is the best tool. It is like in China we have I Ching, in India we have astrology. So tarot is the best tool of divination, and it is tarot card really actually it is you inside. It is you from inside which gives you a precise reading of what you want to see. It connects your subconscious mind and the conscious mind, because people are so stressful nowadays that they don't get enough sleep, so they cannot connect their subconscious to the conscious, and tarot is a tool to connect them. It connects your subconscious mind and a conscious mind with meditation or with the angels or divination.
So, have you learned this divine art or sacred knowledge of tarot reading?
I had learned long back, 20 years back, from Egypt. I was doing practice as a hobby. I was not professional with this. Now I have become professional with tarot cards, and I go for elaborate reading of tarot cards.
As a tarot card reader, how you are helpful to common people? Have you solved their problems?
Yes, of course, I have solved many problems, and I show them the way. Certain times people come with depression, suicidal tendencies. Many, if they go to a counselor, they will not be able to digest that. But once they come with the astrologers or tarot card readers, they are happy with what answers and what counseling we give. Because during seeing these tarot cards, we can counsel also sometimes people when we find that they are under depression or they are suffering from some problems, some diseases. So we can counsel them and bring them to the level, because they trust us. They trust tarot cards, not other things. So we are very much helpful, and we give them confidence of doing things.
So, after getting this expert guidance, how they feel and how you feel helping them?
They go with a smiling face. When they come here, they always go with a smiling face. And after 2-3 days, they call us back that I have done this and I have done it with full confidence, and I would like to see you once again. That's what their reaction is.
Can you give tips to viewers, the common tips they help in day-to-day life?
Tips in the sense,
in addition to being experienced tarot card reader, you are also healer and occult practitioner, tantra practitioner. Have you solved the problem when it comes to you?
The best part of tarot cards, it helps us in healing as well. I use these Indian sacred cards. They help us for healing. They give us the remedies how we can heal things. Then I do healing with touch therapy. Like if I touch a person and I chant some mantras, so the person gets healed, fully recovered, and they go. That is, and through cards also we get a message that you have to heal this way. So that is there. Secondly, occult, I have solved many cases of occult, like black magic is done, or a person is not able to concentrate, which cards obviously they show us, but they do not show us exactly how it has happened. So I try to combine tarot and occult both together so that the person can be cured, person can come out of black magic or something like that.
You have been awarded with prestigious awards and accolades for your services and for your knowledge. Would you please elaborate about this?
Recently, I was awarded a Koshmo Award in Ahmedabad. I have given remedies to approximately 800 to 900 people live. And they all were very happy, and after that they had come up with the phone calls. I received lots of phone calls saying that, "Madam, we would like to see you again. We need to consult you on certain basis." And just few days back, I got a award of Tarot Queen. It was on all India level basis. At Jaipur, I received this award.
You also provide consultation on telephone or emails?
Yes, definitely I do that. My contact number is 990-941-8013, and my email ID is Meeta _mitr @yahoo.co.in. You can contact me on my website also. My website is www.meetajani.com.